Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo Yoga Tab Plus, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find, as you can see, accounts and sync. You can also do it using this Google section, however I prefer to do it using this one. So let me tap on it and let's tap on add account, so this plus icon. Let's tap on Google and make sure that we've got the internet connection. It is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. Here you have to decide who's going to use this device, so just mark in the option. And in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and then tap on next. So right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so we can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course we can also remove it whenever you want to, so just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again and it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.